Okay, we are going to continue on with solve for X distributive property and combine like terms. Here's our first example problem. Before we get to SAD-MEG and isolating that variable, we need to apply the distributive property. Okay, we've done this in the past where if you come across a problem and you see that you've got to distribute something outside the parentheses, you have to do that step first. So whenever you see distributive property, that's going to be your first step to these problems. Remember, distributive property is multiplication, so I'm going to do 3 times 2x and then 3 times positive 4. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to add 12 equals 24. At this point, I am ready to utilize SAD-MEG, which tells me I need to do subtraction and adding first. So I'm going to take away that 12. So that drops out. Take away from 12 on the right side. I'm left with 6x equals 24 minus 12 is 12. X is being divided by 6 at this point. So I'm going, being multiplied by 6. So I'm going to divide by 6. And my final answer is x equals 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. I were to plug this back in. I would, if I plug 2 in for x, I would end up with 24 on each side. I'm going to do one more. Let's do 2 parentheses x minus 5 close parentheses plus 7 equals 3. Here's a problem where we're going to have to do distributive property and then combine like terms. So as always, when we have the opportunity to distribute, we take it. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So I'm going to do minus 10. And then the 7 is just going to drop down, as is the equal sign and the 3. At this point, I'm going to combine like terms. After I distribute, I combine like terms. My like terms are the negative 10 and the positive 7. I combine those two. My signs are different. So I'm going to find the difference, which is 3. And I got more negatives than positives, so I'm going to end up with a negative 3. And my 2x is going to drop down. So I got 2x minus 3 equals 3. After I've done distributive property and combine like terms, now I'm ready to use SAD-MEG. Add 3 to each side. 2x equals 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm going to divide everything by 2 now. So I ran out of room. X equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. There's my answer.